Can you take me seriously looking like this? I'm living my best life.
Oh, your camera skills are horrible.
It gets very sticky.
Good morning, everyone. The girl and myself, we are going to the shop. It's Sunday today, and we're gonna go pick up my mom, and then the three of us are going shopping. So it's winter school holiday in South Africa, and I've booked a little excursion for us for next weekend. So this week I'm going to take you along on a little vlog where we prepare for the weekend. So today we are going to go do some shopping for the weekend, and then yes. Oh, your camera skills are horrible.
So I have to hold it this way.
So today we are going to go get some foods in preparation for the weekend that we are going to take along with us, and then we are also going to get us maybe some track pants, some track suits or something warm and comfortable for the weekend. So I'll take you along with us when we go to the shop now.
As part of my prep for next week, I am going to bleach my mustache. So let's get into that. I use this one, the Mandy's, and you usually, let me check, I think if I remember correctly, we use it 1 to 1, no, 1 to half. 1 teaspoon of the cream and half a teaspoon of the activator. So this is the activator. Okay, so they say half a teaspoon of that, and then a teaspoon of the bleach. Okay, so then I just mix the two together. I know that some people, they wax their mustaches or they do other things to it, but I've always just felt that as soon as you start doing something to your hair, then the texture changes, and I definitely don't want man beard on my face. So that's why I've just always bleached it. I've never waxed it or done anything like that to it. I've mixed the cream and the powder together. So now I'm ready to apply. And then I've promised my girl that when I'm done with this bleach that we can use it, and then I'll give her a little bit of sun-kissed highlights just in the front. So earlier I told you that we were going shopping, and I ended up not taking you into the mall with me. I just forgot, to be honest. Okay, so now they say we have to wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's 1:45 now. So I'll check at 2 o'clock again, and then if it's needed, I'll leave it on for a little bit longer. But normally it just takes one take and then I'm fine. So yes, as I was saying, I left you earlier where I said my daughter and I went to the shop and we picked up my mom and we went to the mall, and I ended up getting her like a cargo track pants. So it's like a track pants with the pockets on the sides, the extra pockets on the sides. And then for my boy, I just took a plain black track pants. I didn't get any for myself. And then my mom liked a pink polo neck, so I got her that. And then the other stuff is I bought some mints for the weekend, because last night I visited with my brother and his wife, and then we already started planning the menu that we're going to do this weekend, and we also planned all the activities that we're going to fit in for the weekend. So yes, we decided that on Saturday evening we're going to have a tomato mince pasta, and I don't think we decided on what to do for Friday evening. And then Saturday morning we're going to have bacon and eggs, and we'll eat on Saturday. We'll eat at one of the places wherever we are at that stage when we are hungry. And then on Sunday we're just going to have muesli for the kids. The grown-ups are not going to have anything, but I did buy croissants, not croissant. I did buy croissants now, and I got some wheat-free muffins for myself. So I'll take that along. So that will be nice for Sunday morning, just for coffee or tea for breakfast for us. And then, yes, then on Sunday, we're going to go back to do 1 or 2 activities again. And then we're going to have lunch at this hotel that my husband and the kids, we tried previously when we stayed in that little town. So we're going to go back to that restaurant, and hopefully the steak is still as nice as I remember it from previously. But seriously, can you take me seriously looking like this? I'm living my best life. Let's give it some time now, and then I'll show you the removal procedure as well. It's been 10 minutes and it's starting to get itchy, so I'm just going to check it in the mirror. Oopsie. That's not bad at all, but I think I'm going to give it just a wee little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to wait the 5 more minutes, and then it should be the 15 minutes that they advised initially. Okay, so it's 2 o'clock now, time to remove this. And I'm just going to rinse it off with some cold water. And that's it all done. I'm just going to use some toilet paper just to pat dry. And now I'm quickly going to use the leftover bleach. I'm going to use to put some lighter bits in my daughter's hair. If she says it's okay, I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, she said she doesn't mind being in this week's episode. Because the rest of my hair is organized today. The curls are going. So I'm just taking a fringy bit out, and then I'm just going to do like a little piece of blonde at the edges. And I'm just using my fingers, as you can see. Okay, so that's it. So it's 5 past now. I'm going to leave it on till 1/4 past. Then we'll rinse it off with some cold water as well. I've started organizing my boys' drawers now. It's a mess. There's so many things that's too small and utterly destroyed. I'm finally getting rid of it. But trust me, you don't want to go in there. The washing machine finished, so I'm going to take the washing out of the machine now, and I'm going to go hang the washing outside. So I've hung the washing now, and I forgot about the bleach in my daughter's hair, but we've rinsed it out with some cold water now, so that is done. And then hopefully it will look a little bit more sun-kissed to her. I'm actually also supposed to be washing my hair today. I'm feeling a little bit lazy. So the girl and I, we are in the car and we are going to the hair salon now. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get any footage in there, but if I am, I will share it with you. And if I don't, I'll show you what we look like afterwards. Maybe I should show you, do a before and after of the 2 of us, and then I'll show you the after when we get out of the salon. Yeah, I think that's a plan. We're back in the car and we are done. So this is the after of mommy and daughter. Okay, let's get into the last bit of holiday prep. I must still show you the teeth whitening process, and then I'm gonna do that later tonight. But let's quickly pack for the weekend away. I've just set up here in the living room. My husband is lying down in our room, so I'll bring the stuff that I'm packing, I'll bring here, and then I'll just talk you through what I'm packing. As always, I think I'm gonna travel in my tights.
tights and a nice shirt. I think they said the weather's going to be hot tomorrow. I think I'm going to take something short sleeved as well. So that's travel outfit for tomorrow. Then I'm going to pack these jeans. Okay, let's get the top for this. Okay, so just a plain white tee. I'm keeping it basic. A plain white tee, black polo neck. Like I said, I'm going to do the jeans. And then let's get pajamas and underwear. Pajamas. 2 pairs of socks. 2 pairs of underwear. 1 bra. Oh, and then there's a swimming pool. And like I mentioned, they said the weather is going to be hot yesterday. So I think I'm also going to pack some swimwear for myself. Quickly going to go get that. I'm going to take this little skirt and then this bikini, stripy bikini top with it. Okay, so that's my swimwear. Okay, so swimwear, 1 set of swimwear. It is winter, so the chances of me getting into the water, it's slim, but I'm packing it for in case. Swimwear, the pajamas, and then a top and something warm. For Saturday, I think I must get another top and jersey for Sunday. Okay, I think the underwear. Hello, Nightmare. You are full of sand, my girl. Full of sand. Okay, underwear is sorted. Travel outfit is sorted. Oh, okay, so top for Sunday, and then I think I must also pack a coat. Yes. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, so. If it's very cold, I'm packing this coat, this green coat of mine. And then for the hot day, I'm packing this vest like this. It's nice and wide and flowy. And then if I need something warm with that, I'll just wear this red jersey of mine. Okay, so for shoes, I'm just going to do a pair of boots. I'm going to take my slippers. And then I think... that is what I'm packing clothes wise. The makeup and toiletries I'll pack tomorrow morning as I'm getting ready. Good morning guys, it is D-Day today. So we are going on our little trip today, and I'm just going to use some as a final step of my holiday prep. I'm going to whiten my teeth, and I'm using these White Glow charcoal teeth whitening strips. So they just come in little individual packets like that. You have to be careful, they are quite sticky and it's normally a struggle getting it off. So I haven't brushed my teeth this morning. I am just going to brush it afterwards. Dry your teeth. Like this. And then one for the bottom. And that's it already for the weekend. So now it stays on for 30 to 60 minutes, and then you can pull it off. Like I said, it gets very sticky. You can pull it off, and then what I normally do is I don't brush my teeth beforehand before putting it on. So I put it on now. I'm going to leave it on while I'm bathing, and then I am going to take it off and then brush my teeth afterwards. But I'll show you the after of this. Okay, let's get ready to take this off. As you can see, it is very sticky, very messy. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then that is done. And you don't need to see me brushing my teeth. Okay, so far as toiletries are concerned, I'm not including face wash and those types of things. Okay, not that. I'm taking a makeup remover, roll on for me and hubby. I'm taking this sunscreen, night cream. I mix this into the cream, and then for the makeup, these two mascaras,
my eyeshadow palette, this powder and brush, this little brush, this for the eyebrows, eyeliner, concealer, curler, and that is everything I'm packing with regards to makeup. And then I've got lipstick in my handbag. See you in the next episode, and hopefully I can share the weekend with you.